The government will refine and repackage incentives to attract more healthcare providers in the country. President William Ruto said such a facilitative framework will enhance the well-being of the people. He was speaking on today during the official opening of the AAR hospital along Kiambu Road in Nairobi County. He assured investors that Kenya is a safe, secure, stable democratic state anchored on the rule of law.
We encourage all players in the healthcare sector to use this opportunity and explore imaginative possibilities to collaborate under various configurations, including public-private partnerships, in order to bring to healthcare the strategic and collaborative ventures that have been successful in other sectors. The government is also taking substantial measures to ensure that education and training provides the skills and professional capacity required to run a globally competitive healthcare sector. Again, we had a meeting with all our governors this weekend, and we have agreed on how the training of healthcare professionals will be shared between the county and the national government. And we have also agreed on a mechanism that while the training of our healthcare personnel is going on, our facilities, either at the county or at the national, do not suffer. We're going to have a conversation, and we are going to work with all stakeholders to make sure that we facilitate the training of our healthcare personnel without necessarily interfering with the provision of health services.
Further, the president explained that the country has a well-developed legal system that guarantees the security of property rights.
We are also committed to the active promotion of healthcare system that is robustly attentive to preventive healthcare in addition to curative healthcare, because prevention is always the most efficient deployment of resources and the best means of enhancing well-being and minimizing suffering. In order to accomplish these crucial purposes, it is paramount that a highly attractive investment environment is intentionally cultivated to assure investors that their ventures in Kenya shall be competitive, productive, efficient, and profitable. The political climate is important to this end, as is the policy framework. I thank and I take this opportunity to assure all investors already on ground and those whom we shall have the honor to welcome in the coming days that Kenya is safe, secure, stable, democratic state anchored on the rule of law with a very well developed legal system which guarantees the security of property rights and is committed to a free market economy. It is important for me to say this because to be able to build on the model that we have on public-private partnership, it is critical that all our partners understand that Kenya is a free market economy that is democratic and that nobody is going to take advantage of their investment. Our democracy is vigorous, transparency and accountability is robust, and the system of checks and balances works.
The president noted that the government will intensify and sustain its commitment to improving Kenya's economic competitiveness.
Our vision of this sector is to enhance the health and well-being of every citizen in order to make them live longer, happier, and more productive. In so doing, we set a firm foundation for sustained economic growth. At the same time, we achieve the equally critical objective of saving the country the more than 10 billion shillings that we spend annually on treatment abroad. Finally, and also fundamental, we intend to turn Kenya into the most attractive destination for healthcare and medical tourism in Africa and possibly globally. I am confident that we can and will achieve our objective, because all that is required is the right people and the right investment. Kenya's strength has always been our resilient, hard-working, well-educated, and highly skilled manpower. We are now taking firm strides to attract and promote appropriate investments that will help us deliver on the various configurations of partnerships on all items of our development, including healthcare.
He added that the government will endeavor to lower the cost of medicines and medical commodities.